So ribbon chart is one of the helpful visual when it comes to understanding the change in the rank, or if you want to discover which data category or which category has the highest rank, right? And also to understand the change in the rank over a period of time with the highest range. The highest range will always display on top of each time period. For example, in the x-axis I have plotted the time period year, and then we can see that there are three categories are there. The category which has highest value, right, it will get displayed on top of this one. That's it. Okay, so with this we can also understand it gives us the rank. Okay, and that is the advantage of this one. I just quickly show you how to create a ribbon chart. So here this is my ribbon chart. Okay, look here in the under the visualization pane, the second in the second row, the last one is your ribbon chart. You just click on it. Once you click on it, it will create a dummy chart, and here you need to populate the data just by dragging and dropping the variables here. We can find out here. So look here, I just use same thing. First we will start with the simple one, category, and the next one is I just use the sales here, the y-axis. But if you see, though I have selected the ribbon chart up front, and when I dragged and dropped, I could see it is like a column chart. But with this we can make out the technology category is the winner, because that's where we made more sales. The second top category where we made highest where we generated more revenue was furniture. Okay, fine. When what is the point in saying that this is a column ribbon chart? Instead I would have created the clustered column chart. So why should I use this one? So we have something called a legend. What I am going to do is I am going to drag and drop the legend. The moment when I dragged and dropped the region here in the legend, right? So what happened now? The ribbon chart is ready now. It created a ribbon chart. For each region got color coded with different colors. So this is the Africa, and this is this color, wherever you see this color, that is Canada, and Caribbean. So look, this is this is Caribbean, I think, yeah. And this is East and EMEA and North region, North Asia region, and it shows the region, okay, the different regions. And if you maximize it, you can see it here. And instead of using technology here, let me do one thing. I'll just make a quick change here, because I just want to see the thing here. And where is the y-axis? Ideally I should have done this earlier. Anyhow, no, x-axis, my category came here. Yeah, so 2011, 2012 for each year, right? So we can see that quickly in this chart we can quickly make out every year we could see upward trend in the sales. That is what we can make out quickly. And here the Africa, this region is I just put test. Look here, this is the one test. You just I just for testing purpose I changed it, and this is, let's you just think about this north region, something like that. This region is the winner. We can see this region we made more sales, the highest sales, right? The region which has, or the ribbon which has highest value, that one will get displayed on top of each other, okay, on top of all the things, right? So this is the one has highest value, hence it displays on top of other ribbons. This is the second top sales. Look here, this is 845 and this is 4.81, this is 3.87k, 2.91, and then after 2.9, 2.6 to something like that, okay. The highest value displays on top of this one, and if you hover the cursor here, you can make out the tool tips are very much helpful, which region, which year, how much sales we made, we can see. In this case also we have used two categories or categorical column. One is the date and region. Even the date and region also categorical variable, okay, text variable, okay. And the y-axis is here it is showing the values, okay. And in between, so in 2011, what is the sales, right? So that's what we can see. But compared to the north test region in 2011, we can see here there is a significant 4.6 is, but here 8.6. At least here we can see the 100% jump in this, right? So there is a significant increase in sales in the African region. Very good. Year on year, we can see there is a upward trend in sales. And if I hover the cursor here, it shows me the sales, everything. And if I keep the cursor here in the dimmed area, you can see, you need to notice this one. So here, this is the area, okay. Apart from this one, okay, so this one just displays the sales value. But here, if you notice it here, this one is slightly dimmed here. If you hover the cursor here, you can see that in 2001 in the test region, what is the sales, and what is the sales in 2012, and what is the sales in percentage compared to 2011 and 12, what is the change in the sales? 65,000, 65k, that is the difference between 2012 and 2011. And in 2011, this African thing ranked as 1, and even in 2012 it is ranked as 1. And if you see here, the same thing we can see. When it comes to rank, we don't see much difference here. Always when it comes to sales value and rank, the Africa region is the winner. There is no doubt here. And if you take a look at this one, right, so this is the one is West region, the sales is 134, and if you hover the cursor here, you can see that in 2011 in the West the sales is 1.34, whereas in 2012 there is a dip in sales. What is the change in sales? It is a negative 6.35, and how the rank got changed from 6 to 10. Okay, so earlier at least it was 6th rank, now it became 10th rank. So what is the change in the rank compared to 2012 and 11? It's there is a there is a decrease in rank by 4. That is how you need to interpret. So this is the beauty of the ribbon chart. Okay, it gives you the rank also. Okay. And you can go ahead with the format pane, and you can do all kind of give the title, and if you want to change the legend also, right, you can change it. So that is pretty much about the ribbon chart. It's very simple and easy, but with a single chart you can find out the different sales in terms of values, and in terms of rank, how much percentage change in the rank, everything you can see it here. Alright, this is what your ribbon chart